This is a welding cart from Harbor Freight. Let's put this thing together and see if it's worth buying or not. So this is everything that comes with it. Everything looks to be in really nice shape. I like the finish on it. It's all black. I don't know if it's powder coated or not. These wheels actually feel rubbery, not all plastic. Got some small casters. These feel plastic. Axle, 2 hooks, whole bag of hardware. But yeah, so far everything looks really nice. Let's put it together. So right off the bat, this whole thing goes together with the same hardware. 10mm bolts with 10mm nuts. So I just got a 10mm ratchet and a wrench. So just so you guys know, there's only enough hardware for everything to get a bolt, a washer, lock washer, and then a nut. Here it is, all put together. I have a MiG 200 on it from Art Captain with the number 4 tank. You can fit a welding helmet, gloves, extra wire. You got a couple hooks. You can put a ground clamp. I got my power cord, then the MiG gun. I switched over to bungee cords instead of the chains. I just like the way it looks better. I think it matches better, but the chains work good too that it comes with. I just have those bungee cords laying around. This tank probably is a little too big for this cart. I'll probably get a smaller tank. This tank actually goes on my Miller-Matic over here, but I wanted to at least put something on it now. But at least you know you can fit a number 4 tank on here. Plenty of room. But yeah, this is the Harbor Freight welding cart. So far, I like it. I think it's a pretty neat little cart, especially for $50 or something. It was like $49.99. Can't beat that. So definitely check it out.